I am going to show you a few methods that you can do to add invite collaborator on your Instagram account. A lot of people had that option, but it disappeared. And some people didn't even have it since the beginning, like since they created their Instagram account. They don't have that option to invite collaborators. Now, that's why I made this video, to help you guys fix this problem. I am going to show you a few methods that you have. If you follow the steps in this video, you will be able to add invite collaborator on your Instagram. So follow the steps, guys. For people who have never had that option, you have to know that it happens because you don't have a business account on Instagram. You have to switch your account from personal account to business or creator account. Now, if you can do that by clicking your profile picture at the very bottom right, and then click three lines in the top right, and then click settings, and after that you want to click on account. After that, you want to scroll down. At the very bottom, it says here switch account type or switch to business account. You want to switch your account to a business account so that you can invite collaborators. Now you want to switch to business account like you see here. After you switch to business account, you will have to follow a few steps, like what category you are interested in. Like some things that don't matter that much, you can just select anything you want, and that's how you can have a business account on Instagram. Now, if you have a business account and still you can't find the invite collaborator, or when someone invites you, like you don't see that option, or you are you don't get the invitation. Now you want to click three lines in the top right, and then click settings, and after that you want to click on privacy. After that you want to click on mentions. Now you want to make sure you click on everyone, okay? So if you have it on no one, like you will not receive invitation from anyone. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add invite collaborator on Instagram. Now, after you switch to business account, a few people will say that still they can't see that option. After you switch, you will have to wait 48 hours before Instagram adds that option to your account. Make sure you don't have a private account. Make sure your account is public, so that you can add that feature on your Instagram within 48 hours. Now, if none of this works, if someone reported your post, because a lot of people got reported and that feature disappeared from their account. So the only solution I found to fix this problem, you want to click three lines in the top right, and then click settings. After that, you want to click on help. At the very bottom, you can see here help. Now, after you click on help, you want to click on help center. No, you want to click on report a problem, so that Instagram will add that feature on your Instagram within like 24 hours or 48 hours. It depends. Now you want to click on report a problem in the top, and then click on report a problem without shaking, and click on include and continue. Now you want to type here, hi Instagram, I couldn't invite collaborators on my account. Please fix this. I couldn't see that feature anymore on my account. Even if it has never appeared on your account, you can just type, hi Instagram, I want to use invited as collaborator on option on my Instagram. Can you please add it? And you will add it within like I said 24 to 48 hours, and then click send in the top right, and you will be able to have that feature like you see here on my other account. I can easily add that, see that feature here.
In the past year, I
like you see here, tag, and you can see here invite collaborator. So you will have to wait 48 hours.